So I was discussing the third scenario where you may be interested in examining whether the relationship between the parental involvement and academic achievement is moderated by the student level of motivation. It means if a student is motivated, then parental involvement may have a strong impact on academic achievement. If a student is not motivated, or he may have less motivation, then the parental involvement impact may have less impact on academic achievement. So there are multiple scenarios that where you can use moderation analysis. So I hope you can understand now what is the SPSS procedure, and how can we analyze uh, different scenarios using SPSS. So let's suppose that we have simple moderation with continuous data. How can we build the conceptual model? The conceptual model will build like this. You might have an x-axis that may impact your y-axis, and you might have a moderating variable. So technically, or in statistical diagram, how can we manage their impact? First, you need to see the direct impact of your independent variable on your dependent variable. It will indicate your first coefficient. Then you will need to see the impact of your moderator as a independent variable on your dependent variable. Then you need to see the product of your independent and your moderating as a xm. You can see here the x is your independent variable, the m is your moderator. So you need to see the interaction of x and m, that is the product of your independent variable and your moderating variable. So this is known as interaction term. So you need to see the impact on y for the interaction term that will generate third coefficient. So technically, or in statistical theme, you need to see the simple moderation like this. So let me start with the example data file that I have shared with you. Let we have the following combination of variable, like dependent variable is project success. You may see the dependent variable of project success in the data file. You may have independent variable that is short duration training. You may have a moderating variable that is effective scheduling. So all these variable are continuous variable. So what is the procedure? How can we analyze our data? We need to go to analyze, then we need to select the regression, then we need to select the process version 4.2 by Andrew F. Hayes. When you click this, you will open up a dialog box like this. You need to put your dependent variable into y variable. You need to put your independent variable into x variable, and then you need to put your moderator variable in moderator variable w. So when we are using only one moderator variable, we need to put it into w moderating variable. But if we are using two moderating variable, then we need to put the second moderator variable into uh, moderator variable z. So for the purpose of your explanation and demonstration, I am just using a single moderation over here. So you need to put your moderation over here, effective scheduling. Then you need to click a button on the right side, that is option button. Simply you need to click it, and you will find a number of options over here. You need to select generate code for visualizing interaction. You need to select that decimal places in output should be 4. You need to select all variable that define product. You need to select the -1 st mean plus 1 st. Then you need to select Johnson Neyman output. I will let you know what does it mean. Then after selecting these options, you need to click on continue button. Then after some couple of seconds, you will see the results of moderation. But before I interpret these results, let me explain you the procedure using the live demo of your SPSS